My bad.
Hey
Give you
guys,
one more
how are you
chance, Sonny.
doing?
Let me
If
think
we
about it a little
like,
more carefully.
we
I
can
need
build
to...
one
Sonny?
block
What? Sonny? Think
because
about it. Press
I'm
this big red
building
button.
a
No! Okay, fine, I
boat,
didn't press it. What do you
so
want me to do? Okay, what's in front
we
of us right
need
now? A code. Good. What's this?
this whole
66613.
thing full
I
of
got it. Yep,
Legos.
we're almost there, Melon.
Out.
And then put
All
a
of
3
the
there and a 1 there.
all of
Melon,
these
press the button.
Legos
Something's
out.
happening.
Out,
Sonny,
out,
what you
out.
did is you just made a
And
bunch of
these
new
are
buttons
like
appear all throughout the map.
2
And now we gotta
million
go
blocks,
click them all. Bro,
3
this
million,
labyrinth is
I don't know.
insane.
So
And I'll show you where the
just
first button
like
is. It's right here.
and
Nice one. I
subscribe.
see it.
Subscribe
Got it.
equals
There we go.
5 blocks,
Now, let's head
and
to the
a
jammy room.
like is
Here
1
you opened
block,
up a brand new room.
and a
How
comment
many rooms are in this
is
labyrinth? A whole lot of rooms, Sonny. Well, at
1
least you
block.
found another secret button.
So-
How many more are left? Let's check it out. So, Sonny, we only have
Or-
1, 2, 3, 4,
or just
5, 6,
comment
7
1 to
buttons left to
10
click.
how
Bro,
many
basically
blocks
done.
I need
Let's
to
go
put
with the Easter egg.
down.
Yeah, but
So
these last 3,
peace.
we don't